Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Xbox Series X, step by step.
Lithans. His twin sons learned gaming on consoles their father helped build. Last Christmas, they unwrapped matching Xbox Series X. A teenager in Tokyo saving every paycheck for this console. A soldier overseas connecting with family through Xbox Live.
Deep inside Sony's facility lies a place even most employees have never seen, the PlayStation Development Zone.
Retinal scan. Palm vein pattern.
Every PlayStation that never was. Prototypes rejected at the final stage. Designs too ambitious for their time.
The PS5 went through 47 design iterations. The first prototype looked nothing like the final product.
The console exists because of one obsession: eliminating loading screens forever. We rebuilt the console architecture from the ground up.
Excellence. The custom SSD architecture is a great technical secret. It has 12 channels of flash memory, 6 priority levels for data stream.
The controller container has a modem for motor cable devices.
The 3D audio chip processes sound from hundreds of virtual sources simultaneously. Originally designed for VR, the console uses a liquid metal thermal interface material, a gallium-based compound that conducts heat far better than traditional paste.
Over 100 cooling fan designs were tested, with blade angles adjusted by 0.1 degrees for optimal airflow.
The expansion slot hides proprietary technology. Not all NVMe SSDs work, as the company engineered. The operating system contains 80 million lines of code and security encryption that has never been fully cracked. Silent system update.
Playing older games on the new console required reverse engineering the old console within the new one, creating a virtual version running inside the new architecture. What we saw next, we were made to promise not to describe. Future features are already in development, with hardware additions not yet announced.
And behind this door, even our cameras couldn't enter. The company's most sensitive research. Technology that won't exist commercially for a decade.
It's overheating.
Temperatures are critical. Shutdown initiated.
As we see here, the traditional paste is quickly overwhelmed. Now, with the liquid metal, notice the dramatic temperature drop on the thermal cam.
The power spikes are exceeding safety limits. This won't pass regulatory compliance.
We need to redesign the power supply immediately.
Until the list of different athletes and athlete. The secret is now better. To be left, they also personally test you to be real and trying the.
It's just too loud. I can't even hear the game.
This is definitely a problem.
%67. This is a disaster. What's the root cause?
We're still investigating, but early signs point to a new batch of faulty GPUs.
Our analysis shows solder joint failures due to contamination from a component supplier. We need to visit their facility.
New supplier verification procedures are being implemented. Quality checkpoints increased from 5 to 11. The global chip crisis deepens, leaving PlayStation 5 shelves bare and customers frustrated. Sony executives are now in crisis meetings.
This Sony facility produces 2,880 PlayStation 5 consoles every single day. That's 120 per hour.
Multiple Sony facilities worldwide contribute to PS5 production. Combined global output exceeds 20,000 units daily.
The complete assembly line spans 1.8 kilometers. A PS5 passes through 127 individual stations.
Blaze. Daily component consumption is staggering. 2,880 AMD custom chips. 5,760.
8,000 employees work at this single Sony facility. 3 rotating shifts ensure 27 production.
1,200 quality control specialists work every shift. Each PS5 undergoes 312 individual tests. Function verification takes 47 minutes per unit.
From this factory, PlayStation 5 ships to 167 countries. 40% by sea, 60% by air for faster delivery.
This single Sony facility supports 32,000 indirect jobs. Suppliers, transportation, food. PlayStation 5 supports 847 direct suppliers. An additional 3,200 indirect suppliers contribute components and materials.
PlayStation 5 has generated over $40 billion in hardware and software revenue. The PlayStation division accounts for 27% of Sony's total corporate profit. Utility. Sony's Kisarazu facility runs on 62% renewable energy. Solar panels generate 8 megawatts daily.
Water is recycled 7 times before leaving Sony's facility. 89% of manufacturing water is
Zero manufacturing waste goes to landfill. Plastic scraps become new PS5 components. Metal waste returns to smelters for reuse.
Sony committed to carbon neutrality by 2040. PlayStation manufacturing emissions already reduced 43%.
Sony invests $23 million annually in surrounding communities. Technical schools train future PlayStation builders.
5:15 a.m. The dawn shift arrives before the sun fully rises. Every shift begins with 8 minutes of exercises. Hand stretches for assembly precision, Eye exercises for quality. Team leaders share daily goals and quality reminders. Workers respond in unison, affirming their commitment.
The assembly floor is remarkably quiet. Workers maintain intense focus. Conversation is minimal during production. Lunch is 45 minutes of genuine rest. Traditional Japanese bento alongside curry and noodles. Workers eat in their assembly team.
Kenji has worked PlayStation assembly for 28 years. His hands have built every generation since PS1. Now he passes knowledge to workers young enough to be his grandchildren.
At 2:47 p.m., Line 3 stopped unexpectedly. No panic. Maintenance team arrived in 9. Yuki is 22 years old. Today is her first day building PlayStation 5. Her mentor Akiko guides every movement.
Milestones matter at Sony. 10,000 PS5 units assembled personally earns official recognition. A moment of applause, then back to work.
Shift transitions are choreographed perfectly. Day shift briefs night shift in 4 minutes. Production never pauses. The maintenance team is PlayStation's invisible army. Machines calibrated to microscopic precision. Preventive repairs before problems occur. Inspector Tanaka found a 0.2 millimeter blemish on a white panel. Invisible to most eyes. The unit was immediately pulled for rework.
Meet Sakura. Meet Sakura, the PlayStation factory cat. She appeared 4 years ago and stayed.
Once yearly, families visit the factory. Children see where parents build the consoles they play at home. Pride passes between.
End of shift. Another day complete. Hundreds more PlayStation 5 consoles now exist in the world.
What surprised you most about how PlayStation 5 is made? Was it the liquid metal cooling? The 2658?
This is just the beginning. Next week on Process Pulse Factory, we're going inside another legendary manufacturing facility.
Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss how the world's most incredible products are made. We'll see you in the next one.